It's the story of Rowan Atkinson. Rowan Atkinson was born in a middle-class family. He suffered terribly as a child because of his stuttering. He was also bullied and teased at school because of his looks. His bullies thought he looked like an alien. He was soon marked as strange and became a very shy kid who didn't have many friends. So he dived into science. One of his teachers said there was nothing outstanding about him. I didn't accept him to become a fantastic scientist. But he proved everybody wrong and got admitted at Oxford University. In Oxford, he started falling in love with acting. But he couldn't perform due to his speaking disorder. So he got his master's degree in electrical engineering. Before appearing in any movie or TV show, after getting his degree, he decided to pursue his dream and become an actor. So he enrolled in a comedy group, but again his stammering got in the way. A lot of TV shows rejected him and he felt devastated. But despite the many rejections, he never stopped believing in himself. He had a great passion for making people laugh. He knew that he was very good at it. So he started focusing more and more on his original comedy sketches, and soon realized that he could speak fluently whenever he played some character. As he said, I found that when I played a character other than myself, the stammering disappeared. But even though he found a way to overcome his stuttering, and he also used it as an inspiration for his acting. While studying for his master, Rowan Atkinson co-created the strange, surreal, non-speaking character known as Mr. Bean. Even though he had success with other shows, Mr. Bean made him globally famous. So despite all the obstacles he faced because of his looks, his speaking disorder, he proved that without a heroic body or Hollywood face, you can become one of the most loved and respected actors in the world. And today he has a net worth of $130 million. And he is one of the most popular actors and comedians in the world. His story is so inspiring because it teaches us that to be successful in the life, the most important things are passion, hard work, dedication, and never give up. Because if you are not getting rejected on a daily basis, then your goals are not ambitious enough. So never stop trying, never stop believing, never give up. One day you will be at the place you always wanted to be.